Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog leash holder that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TBFM His/Her Dog Hanger. This is an interesting gift for dog lovers. It is a wooden handcrafted key holder made from 100% fir wood, a material that is also durable and easy to clean. The hanger comes with 3 hooks, namely, his, hers, and a dog, distinguished by its paw print. It measures 9.8 inches long by 7.9 inches wide by 0.8 inches thick and weighs about 9.6 ounces. It also comes with 2 screw anchors and 2 screws. As it is very light in weight, it is easy to mount onto a wall. You can hang it anywhere you want, like the home entrance, bedroom, or kitchen. The rustic design gives this dog hanger a lovely finish. You can use it to hang not only pet collars but also coats, keys, and pet leashes. If you know a dog lover, this makes the perfect housewarming or birthday gift. This hanger from TBFM has a lovely brown wood finish that looks great anywhere in the house. We love that it is easy to install and comes with screws and screw anchors. We also appreciate that it is lightweight and won't mess with the walls. Moving on at number 4, we have the Franklin Brass FBWBONE-FB-C bone-shaped dog leash wall hook. What makes this dog leash holder unique is its single hook design. It is therefore ideal if you do not have a lot of accessories you want to hang up. You would also benefit from this style if you are working with limited wall space and just want something simple. However, do not let the lone soldier style fool you. This hook can handle a lot. With its deep curve hook, you can hang several dog leashes as well as other useful accessories for its price point. This is a wonderful alternative for low-budget dog leash holder shopping. You get to enjoy the flexibility offered by the deep hook and high weight capacity. That way you can dump a lot of your outdoor trip accessories onto it without having it give up on you and fall off the wall. At number 3, we have the metal Peddler Labrador Retriever Rack Leash Hanger. This is great wall decor from the metal Peddler and stands out because of its cute Labrador silhouette design. It is made with 16-gauge American steel. Despite being made using a steel alloy, it is lightweight and comes in 2 sizes, small and large. It has 5 rounded hooks which can be used to hang dog leashes, dog collars, harnesses, medals, or keys. It even allows a magnet to stick to the hanger. It is made of a black powder coat which is oven-baked to make it durable, rust-resistant, and scratch-resistant. You can easily install it with the provided matching black screws. It is the ideal gift for birthdays, housewarming, Christmas, or just a gift for your dog or an animal lover. We love the unique and adorable-looking Labrador silhouette design from the metal Peddler. The black finish, which is rust and scratch-resistant, is also a definite plus. It is lightweight and won't ruin your walls or doors. The rounded hooks are also safe and can be used to hang just about anything. At number 2, we have the Rustic Dog Leash Holder Wall Rack. This holder is built for both indoor and outdoor use. This is made possible by the use of durable and weather-resistant cast iron material. You can therefore set it up anywhere on your property from the front porch and garage to the back foyer inside your home. You also have a lot to look forward to in terms of aesthetics. In addition to the rustic look and feel from the cast iron, the holder bar features the text, "Woof," and the silhouette of a dog. Now that is how you make a statement as a dog owner. If you are looking for something to store your accessories outside, then this would be the perfect alternative. And finally at number 1, we have the nityNP His/Her Pup Key Holder Dog Leash Hanger. While it may not have the most hooks on one bar, this dog leash holder offers you the benefit of deep hooks. This means that you can hang up several of your dog's outdoor accessories at the same time, including with the same amount of sturdiness. Installation is also pretty simple here. The back hangers are to thank in this case. All you need to do is to hang it onto nails or wall stick-on hooks and you have a steady spot for all your dog accessory hanging needs. If you do not want to spend too much time or energy figuring out installation, this simple hang-on design is a wonderful choice. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.